Monday. So today was a very unexpected Just Two Girls day. We haven't done this in a very long time. So this morning we did church separately, and then because she goes to C3 and I go to Reality LA, so we do that. And then she had this genius idea that I was thinking about, but I never got around to stop by. Our friend Jess is doing a pop-up with Mod Ref.
She is a tie-dye master at this point, and Mod Ref has the cutest,
like, women's and men's clothing.
Yeah.
And they just opened up a store at the Row. Yeah. So you guys should definitely check it out. But it was like really good stuff for really cheap there. And then her tie-dye stuff today's the last day of the pop-up though, so probably won't be able to go
but
this time around. But you can place an order at Things Between on Instagram.
Thank you.
Where are we?
We're at the Mod Ref sample sale. They just opened their store across the street.
We just got our goods. We will do a try on when we get home because we can't try these on here. But
it's been a haul.
yes, there's so much stuff. Then in the same building right now, there is our friend Jess, who is currently modeling some clothes. She hand makes all of these pieces. Yes. I'm getting a t-shirt. Helen's getting a sweatshirt here. Jess, if you can bring us up, please.
I'll get it for you.
No. What the? I want. Wait, Helen's getting me this top. Oh, wow. Friends everywhere. Are these stickers?
Yes, please.
Can I have two? Oh, yes. These are so cute. You know, we love stickers. They give you gloves. What? Customer service. Yeah. Oh, Tanda. But we got coffee there at Go Get 'Em, and now we are at USC Village to stop by Trader Joe's and get food at Dulce. Wow, there's so many cars here. Yep. Going to maybe make this vlog about a Just Two Girls Day. So, what time is it? It's only 1:54 p.m.
There's a lot more ahead.
Yes. So we will keep you posted on what's next, but going to find a parking spot and then head in.
And then I asked, oh, if you could describe yourself in a color, what color would you be? And her answer was, what a dumb question.
Because I know it would piss her off.
What you see on camera is
It
not
would
all
piss
there
her
is,
off.
everyone.
You just need to shut every
That's
door
an
and it
online
will make
image.
her, yeah.
Watch out. Stay tuned for my behind the
Anti-
vlog. The real her.
Can't even shut her
A
mouth.
documentary.
Oh my goodness.
Should we go to Trader Joe's first?
Yes. Right? And put it in the car?
Yeah, and then let's eat a salad outside.
Everyone, look at her shoes. What are those? Oh my goodness. It's like so cute. And then what the? The lines are getting shorter. Dirty. What'd you get?
Kale salad?
Oh,
What'd you get?
kale salad. Wow. With not the right coffee though. Sorry, James. The best salad. And it's so hot out right now, but it feels kind of nice out here. So hungry. always gets caught in my earring like this. You guys haven't tried this salad, it's so good. It's like slightly spicy and the tuna is really good. Thank you, Jesus, for this meal.
Thank you, Jesus.
So good. 오랜만에. I had at the park, but
No, I haven't had kale salad in a long time.
it's like my first time eating outside actually, at a place. I've always eaten at home. Going to enjoy our salads, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after.
Might by here.
Yeah. So we're trying on the things that we got. Helen got this romper. It's so cute. It looks so cute. Yeah. This dress, Helen's gonna sew this in, but I actually really like it. So 시원해.
Great things to borrow off of each other.
The tie-dye also fits so well and it's so cute. Just eating as she fixes my dress for me. That's how Prince it?
Yeah, it's literally cutting every single ribbon.
Going to heat press this.
To protect this fabric.
That's so cool.
It's a mini iron. See if it's all stuck on there? Yep, but just to be safe, I like to give it another press.
That's how we feel on the inside. Crazy. That's what we look like without all the skin. That's what she looks like without all her skin.
Alright, now you can do the honors of peeling.
Wow. This feels great. Oh!
There it is, part 1.
So these are our finished heat press t-shirts.
This reflects our internal quarantine selves, what we've become inside.
For
See, crazy and
crazy. This is Los Angeles 2020 because that's where we are, and that's just the year. I put a 2 here.
oh, random.
Yep.
This is supposed to be my last name, but it got cut off.
So I have a tattoo here like that. The tattoo artist failed hers, so kind of works out. With her
Consistent.
print.
And then here, oh, let me go like this.
Here's the back. I can just go like this. She put the 2 here, and then smiley face, heart, and then Samirpa. That's the name of our bar or our hangout, our home. Heart resembles my first tattoo I got in Korea.
And then my first.
Tattoo she got in Korea.
And let's look at your back.
Seem a little different.
Yep, the tattoos together. Tattoos, if you know that song, that's what I was referring to. So there you have it. Oh.
She really likes the back, so that's all she's trying to show. That we cut them ourselves.
Reversible.
Yeah, she looks like an idiot. Okay.
Thanks for tuning in.